Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things health, wellness, and empowerment. Today, we're diving into an important topic that doesn't get enough attention: female condoms. We'll cover what they are, why they're a great option for many women, and of course, a step-by-step guide on how to use them correctly. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a female condom? Well, picture this: a soft, flexible pouch, kind of like a really thin, strong balloon. It's made of either nitrile or polyurethane, both safe materials that are great for even the most sensitive skin. Unlike male condoms that go on the penis, a female condom is designed to be worn in the vagina during sex. Think of it like creating a protective barrier at the opening of the cervix, preventing sperm from reaching an egg. This barrier method not only helps prevent pregnancy, but also offers protection against sexually transmitted infections, or STIs. One of the things I love most about female condoms is that they put women in the driver's seat when it comes to their sexual health. You can even insert it up to 8 hours before intercourse, so it doesn't interrupt the moment. For now, let's move on to why you might choose a female condom as your go-to method of protection and pleasure. So, why choose a female condom? Well, in my practice, I always emphasize the importance of having options, and that's exactly what the female condom offers. It's all about what makes you feel confident and in control of your body and your health. First and foremost, female condoms are all about empowerment. It's a method you control entirely, allowing you to take charge of your sexual health without relying solely on a partner. This can be incredibly freeing and empowering for women. Second, let's talk compatibility. Unlike some other methods, female condoms play well with others. They can be used with or without spermicides, and they're even safe to use alongside hormonal birth control methods, like the pill for extra protection. It's all about finding what works best for you and your body. Some people find that female condoms actually enhance pleasure during intimacy. Female condoms offer excellent protection against both pregnancy and STIs when used correctly. Alright, ready to learn how to use a female condom? Just like with any method of protection, using it correctly is key. First things first, always. And I mean, check the expiration date on the package. An expired condom may not provide reliable protection, and that's a risk we don't want to take. The expiration date is usually printed clearly on the box and on the individual condom pouch itself. Make sure it hasn't passed. If it has, toss it and grab a new one. Once you've confirmed that your condom is safe to use, we can move on to the next step. Now for this step, channel your inner surgeon because we want to be gentle and precise. Carefully tear open the package along the designated area. Avoid using sharp objects like scissors, knives, or even your teeth. Sharp objects can accidentally puncture or tear the condom, which can compromise its effectiveness. Once you've opened the package, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the female condom. It should be soft, pliable, and ready to go. Okay, now for the fun part, or at least the part where we get ready for the fun part. Finding a comfortable position for insertion is key. Some women prefer to stand with one foot propped up on a sturdy surface, like the edge of the bathtub or a chair. This can help with balance and make insertion easier. Others prefer to sit on the edge of a bed or even lie down. Experiment and find what feels most comfortable and natural for you. The most important thing is that you feel relaxed and in control. Alright, let's talk about the anatomy of a female condom. You'll notice that it has two rings, a smaller flexible ring at the closed end and a larger softer ring at the open end. The smaller inner ring is what we'll be focusing on for this step. Hold the condom with the closed end facing downwards and the inner ring facing you. Gently squeeze the inner ring together between your thumb and middle finger. Squeezing the ring like this will make it narrower, which helps with smooth and easy insertion. Now take a deep breath, relax, and remember, you've got this. Gently part your labia with your free hand. Then, holding the squeezed inner ring, slowly insert it into your vagina. You can use your index finger to help guide the inner ring upward and deeper into your vagina. Aim towards the small of your back, as if you're inserting a tampon. Keep pushing the inner ring in until you feel it reach the back of your vagina. The outer ring, the larger one, should remain outside the vagina, resting comfortably against your vulva. Once you've inserted the condom, take a moment to check its placement. The inner ring should be tucked behind your pubic bone and the outer ring should be resting flat against your vulva, covering it completely. If you feel any bunching or twisting, gently adjust the condom with your finger until it feels comfortable and secure. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a female condom. You can now enjoy intimacy with confidence, knowing that you're protected. And that's it. You're now ready to use a female condom with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Got questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health, your choice. See you next time.